Adding the ginger, onion, garlic, chili powder, curry leaf paste. Adding Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Adding salt, 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3. One teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well. I'm making Sanley's special tandoori chicken. Special tandoori chicken. This is special tandoori paste. Mix it well. Mix everything together. Tandoori chicken is ready. Leave it for marination for at least 2 hours before you put in the oven. Sanley's special tandoori chicken. For the marinated chicken tandoori, going to bake in the oven 400 degrees. You gotta add some water in there to steam it. You get the juicy chicken, add some water and cover with foil and put it in the oven for an hour. In the oven, ready to cook. Sanley's special tandoori chicken. Ready to check. The chicken is ready. Tandoori chicken. Look at this. Tandoori chicken is getting ready. Almost ready. Look at this. Sanley's tandoori chicken. Special tandoori chicken. Tandoorian chicken. Tandoori chicken is ready. Sanley's special tandoorian chicken is ready to serve. For the recipe, go to Sanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make Sanley's special tandoorian chicken. Take a bite. All the sauce. Bang bang.